Hi everyone, welcome back to Login Page. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your MyTax.DC account at MyTax.DC.gov. Whether you're filing your taxes, checking your payment status, or managing your tax records, this guide will help you log in securely and efficiently. Let's get started. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and enter MyTax.DC.gov into the address bar to access the website. I added this website link in the description field. You can click from there. In the website that opens, type your username here, type your password here, and click on the login button. If you don't remember your password, click here. And that's it. Logging into your MyTax.DC account on MyTax.DC.gov is straightforward and secure. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Login Page for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video, and happy filing!